it's Paul Augustine, your expert in all things real estate, answering your real estate questions in 3 minutes or less. You can also find us online at theaugustineteam.com. In this video, I wanted to talk about pre-settlement walkthrough and how to prep for it. If you're selling your property, I'll give you tips on that end first, and then if you're buying, I'll give you some tips there too. So if you're selling your property, one of the last steps in the transaction process before you actually get to the settlement table is that the buyers are going to come back for their final pre-settlement walkthrough. The function of this is to make sure that you left everything behind that you were supposed to. So if the appliances were included, leave them at the house. We've had that happen a couple times where the sellers have taken the refrigerator and they weren't supposed to, and then they have to bring it back. So make sure you just run back through that inclusions list and leave everything behind that you're supposed to, take everything out that you were supposed to remove. Also make sure the property's really well cleaned. You want to make sure you clean it up and deliver it to the buyers the way you'd want it to be delivered to you on settlement day. The other thing is, if you have any kind of repairs that were made to the property, make sure you have all your invoices and documentation organized on that. Any kind of keys for the property, garage door openers, documentation on appliances or major equipment that you want to leave behind so the buyers have a good paper trail for all the things in the home. Get all that organized. A lot of times we'll recommend our clients that they just leave that on the kitchen counter so the information's there for the new buyers to pick up and kind of store wherever they want to store it next. Now, if you're buying a property, couple tips for you there. When you're going to do your pre-settlement walkthrough, you want to make sure that all the repairs that were supposed to be done to the property are completed, so check that out. In some cases, when we have some more complex or more involved repairs being made to a property, we'll recommend to our clients that they actually bring their inspector back with them to look at the things that they don't really know what they're looking at. So if there was a more complicated repair to the roof, let's say, you may not know from the ground what you're looking at, so you might want to bring your inspector back just to double check it for you. Additionally, again, make sure all the appliances are there and that everything is cleaned up to your satisfaction. So hopefully you find this information useful. Feel free to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for other great tips and information.